Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today's discussion is mostly around some of the basics of financial accounting. And while it is very useful for people who are running businesses, but it will be very useful for your personal life as well if you consider everything from a financial perspective. You can simply just replace, let's say, the company from the equation, and you can do the same thing for yourself. I do a lot, and it helps me in all aspect of it. I would cover certain basic financial terminology and questions, and I will explain what it meant, and then you can relate to your scenario and see what you are doing and what you are not doing, so that you can fix the remaining part. uh, I will start with accounting equation, which is nothing but assets are equals to your liabilities plus your equity. So that's the basic where you have to start every single accounting transactions. You have to balance this equation all the time. The next one is revenue and profit. Revenue is something which you obviously sell and generate. Profit is something which you calculate after taking out all the costs involved. In modern financial terms, there are a lot of things like EBITDA and other things. I personally want to get down to the net profit, real profit. That's where you can see the real dollar. So you should always try to calculate that. Then comes your financial statements, your balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow. Balance sheet for your current situation of the company, income statement for what income you are generating, and cash flow statement for what how much cash you have to run your business for, let's say, 1 year, 6 months, 2 months, 2 years. So cash flow can give that. So all three are definitely very important. There are many others, but these are basic ones. Then your what kind of accounting you are doing? Accrual accounting or cash accounting? Accrual accounting is when your event is incurred and you have recorded it. Cash accounting is when the cash is actually exchanged. That's when the cash accounting will count in. So you have to see what you are doing, and based upon that you can record your transactions. Next is depreciation. This is very important when you have large purchases, let's say equipment or vehicle or something like that, and you have to divide the overall cost over multiple years to see what is the useful life for this uh, asset, and then you depreciate accordingly different rules and regulations. Very important parameter. Then you have your journal ledger, where actually you record your all transaction. I would call this is a primary record keeping for every single transaction which you are doing. The next one is, and probably this one the last one for this video, is double entry bookkeeping. So you make two entry of each transactions so that you can satisfy the accounting equation which I covered earlier. Asset equals to liabilities plus your owner's equity. So every transaction has to be recorded in this way that it is satisfied whether it is an asset or liability or your equity. So classic example can be, let's say you have to buy machinery and you spend $100, and you personally spend that $100. So you put that as an equity, but at the same time, for a company where you have put that $100, for company it become liability. So double entry for each transaction. So yeah, these are the basics one. There are multiple one. I will make detailed videos of all these in future, but these are the basics you should definitely cover. Study more. If you know these fundamentals, you can talk far better with your lawyers, CPAs, and others. Let me know if you have any other questions, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care.